Hello, today I'm going to show you how to start and stop your engine of your Mazda CX-5. We are having a seat at the driver's side. Our remote key is with you. The system operates only if the key is within the operation range. Yeah, this is the important thing. Otherwise, the engine will not start. But it's a big location. You can get your key all over the interior to start your engine. Let's try this on the rear places. Each time the push button start is pressed, the ignition switch in the order of ACC and on. Of course, you have to push the clutch to start the engine. Pressing the push button, start again from on, switch the ignition off or on. Here you can see now I'm pushing the clutch and the start stop button is green. That means everything is fine, we can start the engine and now the engine is running. Easy, oh? Now we can go and have fun with that car outside. Note, the engine starts by pressing the push button start while depressing the clutch pedal in manual transaxle, or the brake pedal if you have the automatic transaxle. To switch the ignition position, press the push button start without depressing the pedal. Then it goes to off, then ACC. What is ACC? Accessory. Some electrical accessories will operate and the indicator light amber illuminates. In this position, the steering wheel is unlocked. Then there is an off. That means everything is off, okay? Everything is off, yeah? And locked steering wheel. If the push button start indicator light green is flashing and the deep sound is heard, this indicates that the steering wheel is not unlocked. To unlock the steering wheel, press the push button and start while moving the steering wheel left or right. And of course, you have the parking brake. The parking brake you can pull, then the indicator light on the parking brake is on, and you have the parking brake switched on. Now you can see push again, the power supply is off, the engine is off, everything is off. You can leave the area. Off means the power supply to electrical devices turns off and the push button starts indicating light is amber also turns off. In this position, the steering wheel is locked. Do not leave the ignition switched on while the engine is not running. Doing so could result in the battery going dead. If the ignition is left in ACC, for automatic transaxle, the selector lever is in position P, and the ignition is in ACC, the ignition switches off automatically after approximately 25 minutes. Before leaving the driver's seat, always switch the ignition off, set the parking brake, and make sure the selector lever is in P if you have an automatic transaxle, or in the first gear or reverse gear in manual transaxle, like here. Leaving the driver's seat without switching the ignition off, setting the parking brake, and shifting selector lever to P or to the first gear if you have a manual transmission is dangerous. Unexpected vehicle movement could occur, which could result in an accident. In addition, if your intention is to leave the vehicle for even a short period, it is important to switch the ignition off, as leaving in another position will disable some of the vehicle security system and run the battery down. Oh yeah. When the push button starts is pressed to on, the sound of the fuel pump motor operating near the fuel tank can be heard. This is not indicates an abnormality. Here you can see it's really easy to use your car, but take care. Always place your remote control key inside. Then push the button and while pushing the clutch, then you can start the engine. If you leave the engine, not the engine, the car, then you have to pull the handbrake. This is important. This is the parking brake. push them and then leave them. But if you start, no problem, but keep pushing. Shift to neutral, and then you can remove or release your feet from the clutch. Then keep holding the parking brake, and your car is safe while the engine is running. No problem. Then all power supply is on. If you switch it off, push again. Job's done. Then everything is fine. You can leave the car if you pull the parking brake. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.